If you drive regularly, you know how tough the road and the weather can be on your vehicle's paint. Salty air, road chemicals, and UV rays all take a toll. That's why Icon Rocklear is quickly becoming the go-to solution for your paint protection in 2025. Unlike traditional ceramic coatings or paint protection films, Icon Rocklear is a revolutionary cutting-edge formula that bonds directly to your vehicle's surface, creating a crystal clear shield that's up to 75 times stronger and 35 times thicker than traditional ceramic coatings. It resists chips, scratches, oxidation, and chemical damage, which is something no ceramic can truly match. And the gloss? It's unbeatable. Customers often say that their car looks even better than brand new. Best of all, Icon Rocklear is warranted for 15 years on clear coat, 7 years on gel coat, and requires no ongoing maintenance and helps preserve your vehicle's value for the long haul. So if you're serious about protecting your investment, there's no better choice than Icon Rocklear. Find your nearest certified installer or reach out to become one today. Visit iconrocklear.com.